Hello, welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be working on Twinchie Tuesday. Yep, I'm going to do it early this week so it's not late getting up on my channel. It was late last week, but we didn't get back from my daughter's, and then I was trying to do it on Monday and things just didn't work out. So I'm going to work on it this week. I'm going to try to make it a little bit easier than what I've been doing. Then I just get into it and have fun. So I got these at, where did I get these? Dollar General. And they're so stinking cute. So we're going to do these this week. Let me get them out. If you go and you get some of their stickers, be careful because like this side is fine. But look at this. No, these aren't the ones. No, these aren't the ones. It's these. Look. My cactuses, they're so cute, but look at this side. And they're the same brand and everything, so be careful if you... They had all kinds of cute little puffy stickers, and they're only $1, and I can't get it open. But one side's fine. And then look at this side. They cut them off, and there's the other side of them. Seriously, like, here, look. Okay. There. See? I was thinking it was my avocados, but it's my cactuses. So just be careful. Look at them and make sure. They don't have all these up here. I was down at my daughter's when I got these. I don't have all these cutie patooties down. Or up here. They just have them down at her house. So I can't get this stuff up here. I should have got more, but I was trying not to spend a lot of money. It's tight this month. So, anyway, alright. So, I was trying to find colors. And I found an old Simple Stories 6x6 pad. That don't belong in there. I don't know how that got in there. And I pulled out these. So I think on two of them, I'm going to put these on the back. And I'll put this on the back of two and this on the back of two. So let's do that first. And I still got the papers at my feet, so if I need more, we'll get more. So let's do that real quick. And I got some dies. I think I might use some dies too. We'll see. Because I can't make it too simple, I guess. I'm not feeling very good. Cold. I got a cold. I don't like starting the summer with a cold, because if I start the summer with a cold, it don't go away, it seems like. So we'll see, but I got prednisone, so maybe that will knock it out. We'll see. And I'm up at night doing this because, well, you know, prednisone, no sleep. My husband's in bed because he doesn't have prednisone, so he can sleep. It don't do that to him. It makes him mean. He gets all grouchy, mean. I don't. I just can't sleep. It makes me really hot, like, ugh. If I'm on high doses. If I'm just on 5 milligrams, it don't. If I'm on 60 milligrams, it does. So, I'm up and having some fun. Died while I cut this one out. Where'd my scissors go? Up there. And oh, I forgot to start this one telling you about this challenge. Holy cow, I did that last week too. I just started doing this about maybe 3-4 weeks ago. I'm not sure. I just found it. It's been going on for quite a while, I think. I don't know how I missed it, but I have been, my channel has been quiet for months. I'm just trying to get it going again. I was sick all last fall, and then January I was starting to feel better again, and I got COVID really, really bad, and it took me a while to get better, and then I had a granddaughter get sick, and it's been one thing after another. Anyway, I saw this, and I thought, oh, this is cool, I like it. And I've been trying to get my channel going back again. I've been working, but then I started having computer problems. So it's just been bam, 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 bam. Anyway, so this is by Sassy Southern NC Girl, and it is Twinchie Tuesday. So it's on Tuesdays, and I will have a link to her channel in the description box for you so that you can go to her channel and learn about it. And you just make Twinchies. And Twinchies are 2-inch square. That's the only rule that I know is 2-inch squares and Tuesdays. So be sure and go over to her channel and watch hers. And then click on the hashtag and you can see everybody that is making them. And they are really fun. And I love doing any kind of inchies. I think there's fun. I always like to play along in the Facebook group, Junk Journals and Creative Visions, and we made, in January, we made Frenchies, and I'm just now getting them on my channel because computer problems. I'm just now getting my computer going again and getting my old, we did not do it in January, we did it in February Frenchies. They were 4-inch squares. I had a blast doing those. They were fun. And they're just now getting on my channel. My computer is up and running. I couldn't get my my editing program to work. It just would not work. It's working. So now I'm hoping things are getting better. I don't know though. I really think my granddaughter is going to have surgery. So if she does, I'm probably going to be heading south again. So because I'll need to, her mom and dad will have to be at the hospital with her. I thought she'd probably have surgery when we went down for her daddy's graduation from college, but she didn't. But she has an appointment this week with a pediatric gastrology doctor in St. Louis, so we'll see. Alright, so now let me get my little die cutter up here. And I think I will just die cut one of each of these. I'm gonna have to cut this, and I'm going to use my trimmer so that it's cut straight. So, you know, when I decide I want to use this paper again, it's actually straight. So, see how wide I need it. For these things. Okay. Oh, well, I'm going to need another one. Okay, and this one was I'll do both of these. Okay. But she's 10 years old and she has gallstones. And she has been absolutely miserable. She's been to the walk-in and then she's been to the ER several times and nobody will touch it. Nobody will do anything for her. Without her seeing a pediatric gastro doctor. They're just, I'm gonna have to put tape on it. It's moving. So, poor girl has just been miserable. And she's the one that had the brain cancer scare and was in the hospital. We've been down there with her for that. It turned out being pseudo, I don't know, I've forgotten now, but it was scary. Terrified us all. Terrified her. Poor girl. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit them both on there. Got it too close. But she's been miserable for the past, I don't know, month and a half. I said, adults wouldn't have had to gone through it this long. I guess, you know, kids can't speak up for themselves loud enough. I don't know. I don't know why they're making her do this. Oh. What? Oh, there it is. Okay, I thought it just cut the outside ring. Alright, let's see what we can do with this now. So, I may be gone again for a while, but that's okay. You know, family, you take care of family. I guess I didn't get this one out of here. This all is just fun and games, you know what I mean? Take care of family. Oops, I can get it all. Alright. I was trying to think, what can I do different with these, you know? Oops, I guess I should put a... Okay, I need to put some ink around this. I don't like how I did it. I'm going to put a little bit more. I just put it on the tips, not in the circles, and I didn't like that when I got done with it. How is your day going? Mine's been good. My hubby was out of town most of the day, and then he came home with a surprise. He brought Panda home tonight for supper. So I didn't have to cook, which I didn't know what I was going to cook. I didn't have anything set out. I was thinking I might just do like we like to do breakfast burritos for supper, and that's easy. So I thought, oh, I might do that. I tried to do it last week. Critter had been in our house and ate my tortilla shells. I was like hopping mad and so disgusted, grossed out. And mad at my cat. The farmers have been in the field, and when you live in the country and the farmers get in the field, it's just part of living in the country. It happens. And it doesn't matter how clean your house is. Don't tell me clean your house. It doesn't matter. It's part of living in the country. And it's frustrating. They get in the field by your house, and it happens. Okay, now this, I'm going to have to put something behind there, because that's just not going to work like that. I wonder if I could put the yellow. Yeah, I could do that, couldn't I? But I'd kind of like to have maybe some black behind there. Wonder if I have... I can find a piece of black paper. Just a second. Let me find some black paper here. I have some black. Look there. I have some black. It's a whole piece, but that's okay. It's got damage to it, so... Let's... Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay. I got this all fixed up. It's working just fine, and then I left it uncovered while we ate supper. So now I'm going to have to work at it again. Okay, let's put... I'm trying to think if I have a better glue to use for this. I don't think I do. I was thinking about a glue stick, but I don't think that would be better. And I think I'm going to do one side at a time. I think that would be easier, because I can just lay it on the edge of the paper, right? Like, just lay it right here like this. Ah, not right there. Nope. I just made a mess of that. Black paper is not so special. I gotta try to figure that out, is it? I'm sorry. I need to blow my nose. This is annoying. There's my little scissors. Okay, I'm just going to kind of loosely cut it, and then after I get it out of there, instead of trying to manhandle all that black paper and... I'm glad I don't have to do anything this week. I got everything I had to do done at the beginning of the week, you know, like going places. I don't have to go anywhere till Sunday, and if I'm sick, I don't have to go anywhere. Did I get that? Oh, I got a trim on the inside. I went over. Doggone it. I did not mean to do that. I made it hard on myself. Don't do that. If you do this, don't make it hard on yourself. Okay, now let's make the other one, the other side, easier than that. Okay. Oh, I got too much glue there. I should have used my paper piecing glue. That's what I should have used. Because I control it a lot better when I'm doing these little things. For paper piecing, I can't remember even what it's, Scotch Quick Dry is what I use. I've used it for like 20 years. This over further. I'm having trouble seeing it because it's nighttime and everything has kind of got a glare on it. I got glue on that side, but it's no big deal. I'm going to cut it off, so it's not going to show anyway. I still got black. I just couldn't see it. I've got a glare in here. I'm not sure I had paper there. It might have been where I inked it, because it looks like I cut it crooked. Alright, we don't care. It's fine. It's fun. It's fun. It's fine. Alright, now let's put glue all over it now and put our yellow paper on. Okay. Tweezers. I laid them out. Yeah, they're there. Oh, there's like a fuzzy in there. Like a feather. Okay. Oops, 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 oops. This is the most tedious part for this. Although I'm going to want to put that on something too, but it won't be too tedious. Because I want that. Oh, I might want to put that on something too. Oh, that'll be tedious. I really wasn't thinking when I picked these dies out, was I? Okay, so there we go for that one. Now, this one's going to be yellow too. Let me get my paper. This is the other one. There's one more. Where did it go? Oh, come on. I know there was one more. Oh, well, I can't find it. Let's see about a yellow, a little bit of yellow polka dot. There. Let's get that. That way it's not all the same pattern, you know? Alright. Let me do this and I'll pause you and I'll come right back. Okay, I got that all done. I'm glad I did it while it was on pause because that took me a while. This thing, and it doesn't look very neat up close, but these little bitty things, I see one here that's kind of, I don't know. That was, yeah. That was no fun. And also, I have my box of rickrack, loose rickrack, the ones that I don't have wrapped. So, let's see what we're going to do here. This one, I don't know if I'm going to put it this way or this way. I kind of think I'm going to put it this way. So, I think I'll go ahead and glue it down. That's probably plenty. I don't know why I'm gluing it down like somebody's going to be trying to peel it up off of there. Might be me because I don't like where I got it. And I won't be able to get it up. That's for sure. So, oops, that's crooked. That's really crooked. I'm thinking, let's put these little guys. Oops, that's really still looks crooked. I don't know. I'm thinking let's put these little guys, the dancing guys, in here. Like they're dancing. And what else? I need my tweezers. These are my old ones, but it don't matter. They can have some stars. Well, maybe just a star. Because that's all that fits. Can't get as much in there as I thought. What else? Do we need anything else? Let's put that on there so I don't. Probably not, because, well, that's just all that's going to go there. Do I want some? How about this rickrack? Put some silver rickrack across the top and the bottom. Can it go? Nope, it's staying there. I think this is the smallest I have. I don't think I have any. No, that's the smallest. Put it across the top. Yeah, that'll work. Where did I put my scissors? I'm going to cut a little bit. I'm going to cut that off there because it's real crooked there. And this is older. I mean, the newer rickrack. The older is a lot more flexible, but this newer is not. And it's hard to get these bends out. It doesn't really like to come out. I like the older. But that's not what it is. So get out of my way. It's loud on the glass mat. But I like working on a glass mat. I used to have a glass top on my desk until I broke it. And I'm just used to having, I had it for years. My grandma had a glass top on her desk from the, I don't know how long she had it. She had it as long as I have memory of it. She had a glass top on almost everything in her house. All her end tables and her desk and everything. And so I just kind of got used to that. And I really liked working on it. So I have one on my desk, and then I broke it. I put my first camera mount was one that went on the edge of your desk. And I had it on top of my glass mat. And I went to unscrew it. And when I did that, it cracked my It had been on there for years and never, not years, but like 3. I guess that's years, but I made it sound like, you know, forever. But it had never done any damage till I went to unscrew it, and then it just set a straight cut, a straight break in my mat. It went diagonal across my mat, cut it in half. And I just dropped, I got to pick up, I dropped one of my dies, and I don't want to lose it. If I don't pick it up while I must have dropped 2, but I only see 1. Oh dear. I hope the other one didn't go underneath my table. I will never ever find it until I pull the shelf out from underneath my table. I have a metal shelf underneath my table and you can't see underneath it. So you have to wait till you pull it out to find everything that goes underneath there. And it is a pain in the rear. What else did I... That one's the one that's under there. That's my least favorite, so at least... I'll get down on the floor and look after we're done. I'm going to move them up. They were underneath my arm, so I'm going to move them. It's kind of dark in here and glare. There's a glare. There's that one. I like it. Alright. I should have just done a bunch of those, but I like the stamp too, so let's do the stamp next. Now, what do we want to do? I don't know. Do I want to do... Let's do the big one. Do this. I've got all kinds of adhesive on my fingers, and I don't want to run the adhesive on that with my icky fingers, you know. Alright, now, do I want to put... Trying to decide, do I want to use a strawberry or a pineapple? Or a dancing... We've already used the dancing ones. Let's use a pineapple. I can't decide. Pineapple. Strawberry. Am I up high enough for you to see? Yes, I am. I told you I had a V-seat on my hand. That thing stuck to it. And then... I guess I could have... You know, if I put that up there, I might have been able to... Okay, let's see. Let's see. If I put... Oh, I just... Okay, maybe I can do... No. I'm going to put this on the edge of my glass mat. I'm going to try putting a pineapple up here, like this. And then, can I put a strawberry? No, I can't. Doggone it, I thought it would work. Okay, so then we'll put... I got a little strawberry. I could put a little strawberry there, can't I? Put a little strawberry. And then up here, I could put a heart, like right here. Yeah, let's put a heart. Actually, oh, that is driving me nuts. Let's put, I want to pick this up a little bit. A little bit. I want to put this like right, I want it to go underneath the leaf. So, do I want it to go all the way to the edge, or do I want it to just go, I think I want it to go right there. So, let's cut it right there. Okay, I need another pair of tweezers. I want it to go right there. Ooh, that's gonna go too far. I can't let that touch, because it'll leave a glue mark. Okay. Oh, get off my hand. Okay. I want this to go right there. Okay. It's going crooked. Ow. Right there. Alright, I'm going to put some glue on here. I've lifted it up and down too many times. I'll put it right there. Alright. Okay, we're going to take a sticker. I'm going to put some glue on it too, because it's going on top of that. And we'll put this. Do we want it over here or over here? I think we want it right over here. Right there. Right there. And we'll take a little one. Put some glue on it too. Oops, that's not going down. I didn't hold it long enough. I believe that one's heavy enough. There we go. Alright. Now, this one. It's kind of little, isn't it? I started to talk and I coughed. Sorry, just a second. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got this. Is this the right color? It's kind of dark, isn't it? I wish I had more of an apple green. What about this one? No. Okay. I might have to get my other tray out, but I don't want to. It takes so much room. This is the perfect, but it's so little that it's not really going to make any difference. It's the color I want, but it's too tiny. That's what I'm looking for. I have a brown, and there's actually brown in that. How would that be? Because there's brown in the center of the avocado, see? Because I'm thinking about just putting him in the center. I think that would be absolutely darling. Or I'm thinking about, no, I think he's the one. Or I could do gold. But I don't, I could do gold, well, but the pineapple's too small. I think brown's it out of what I've got. Let's do brown. Let's do brown. So, oh, I turned my thing off, so we're gonna have to use this. Actually, let's use this because this dries immediately. Except it doesn't give me any wiggle room to move it because it's not right. And it won't be right away. You have to like fiddle with it. Alright, let's do this. Let's do it. Where's the glue? I forgot where I put the glue. And sometimes you gotta put like a little clip on under down here to make it, because this is really tight. It's not a very big circle. If it's a bigger circle, did I put a clip where I needed it? I don't think so. I need it. I might just clip them all. Too late to clip that one right there where I started. Because this circle's tiny. They're going to be buckling if I don't. If I would have used that gold, it would have looked like sunshine. I didn't think about that. I don't want it to look like sunshine. Yeah, I should have thought and clipped it where I started. I could clip that one right there. That one's not down. I'm making a gluey mess. I wish I had my glue gun. Sometimes you gotta make a mess, don't you? That one is, I didn't get that there right. Turn that off. I don't like it. I don't like it. Alright, there we go. We're good, we're good, we're good. We got it. Oh, that did. Oh wait, I just gotta add a little bit more glue. It'll be okay. Get that down there. There we go. Got it. Okay, now let's glue this down. See, that's buckled where I started because I didn't clip it. Oopsie daisy. I didn't think about how little it was when I started. It's bigger if you're, bigger. It's better if you're going around a bigger one. It's a lot easier. Alright, here we go. Let's put it right there. And I think I'm going to put it there, and we'll start on the other one and let it sit. Okay, so I was trying to decide if I want to put it in the center or if I want to like put it like that. No, I don't think so. No, no, no. I don't like that. No. Okay, so let's glue this down and figure out what we're going to do with this one. How's my battery doing? Okay, we're fine. I thought this would be easy, simple, and fast, and my battery is half gone, which means we've been going for 30 minutes. All right, what are the avocados and strawberries and pineapple they're going to do on this one? Those diagonal graphs are going to drive me crazy, so we're going to get this. Okay. So, we're going to use a big one on that one. So what do we want to do? Do we want to do... I kind of have thought about having these guys like just going around on one of them too. I wonder about that. Let's see how that would work. See, that guy. Where'd that pen come from? I thought about... I'm not going to push him down real hard. I'm just going to kind of set him. Because I can already tell, I don't think that's going to work. I think they're going to butt heads, and I don't think that's big enough. I don't think it's big enough. They're going to butt. Are they? I don't know. Nope, they can't fit. They just barely. Yep, nope, he's running off the edge. Alright, well, okay, that I did. That don't work. Hey, wait a minute. These guys, hey! I didn't realize that. Some are smaller and some are bigger. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This guy's smaller. This guy's smaller. Okay, let's see. What if I don't have them, like... Wait, is he smaller? Okay, what if I don't have them centered? They still kind of center, don't they? They work. It works. I just gotta kind of figure this out here. And then decide, do I even like it? Was that even a decent idea? Right. You were the oddball. I kind of like it. I kind of don't. But we're going to do it. Okay, and then we're going to take this little guy. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. Okay, so we'll take this little guy. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll take this little guy. And then... I don't have enough. Do these guys fit? Oh, I don't have to take it off there to find out, do I? No. No, no, no. Oh, but. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1. 2. Is this one little? I think he's a little bit bigger. But he's okay, he fit. Oh. Okay. This guy's littler, and he's got to come off because he's too big. I mean, he don't look right with the rest of these guys. Oh, nuts. Here. He fits. Yeah. Okay, and then we do this. We go right here. Oops, we gotta put the stop points out, right, don't we? It looks like a kaleidoscope. There we go. It's like a kaleidoscope. Okay, now we'll take this guy. Oh, what was on there? Must have been something on my block. Okay, now this guy, this looks bigger than this one, so we're going to do this one, I think. He fits, right? Yes, he fits. This guy is going on here. I like it. Okay, now, one more thing I want to do for... Oh, I forgot that strawberry broke. I'm going to put him up here, because I might be able to use him on something. I just have to glue him. Take that one off. Alright. I don't think I can do it on all of them, but I can on the big ones, for sure. Okay, where'd they go? Oh, here they are. Okay. Princess. I'll put these out. I don't have my little trays, so we'll just put them down here. Yes, okay. And I happen to think I have this. It doesn't work very well, but it does work a little bit, and it might help me. Oh, I think I have to use the other side. The little side never worked very well. I bought a different one. That's what I bought, that other one that broke, because it still isn't tomorrow yet. So my new ones haven't came in. Yeah, see, I can't do it on the little ones. I have, wherever my missing eyeballs are, I have itty bitty tiny ones that would work on that, but yeah. So will these work? Yes, they will. So the bigger ones will have them, but the itty bitty ones won't. I'm just not good at picking these itty bitty tiny things up. There's one here that's... Oh, boo. I'm just not good at this stuff. But I love googly eyes on some things. Some things I think they look totally stupid. But when you're doing whimsical stuff like this, I think it's a adorable. Oops, wrong side. Get one of these turned over. There we go. Oh, I got glue around that one. Oh, I made it worse. Are you kidding me? Okay, we're going to take that eyeball off. Sure we are. We're going to wipe that glue off. And we're going to do it over, and we're going to get a different eyeball that doesn't have the glue all over it. Oops, I got to get up here where you can see. Okay, flip an eyeball over. Yeah, fly flying around. Summertime. Summertime in the country. Okay, so let me put these up so I don't lose. Oh, I don't want to. That one eyeball has glue all over it. All right. So here's our kaleidoscope. And then here's this one. It looks like a stamp. And we got goo eyes. And here's this one. He's kind of plain, but he's cute. He kind of looks like a cookie. And here's our first one. And I think this was my favorite one. I should have done them all maybe that way. Alright, you have a blessed day. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you go over and check out Sassy Southern NC Girl. Have a blessed day. Bye.